In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Alibaba app not working 2025. Step by step. If the Alibaba app is freezing, crashing, or stuck on a loading screen, this quick reset often clears up the issue by removing corrupted local data. This walkthrough focuses on most Android devices, and menu labels might vary slightly by phone brand. Before we begin, make sure you know your login details because we'll be clearing the app storage and you'll need to sign in again afterward. Start by locating the Alibaba app on your device. You can find it on your home screen or inside the app drawer. If you have a lot of apps, use the search bar at the top of your app list to type the name and jump straight to it. The goal is simply to get to the app's icon so we can access its settings quickly. Press and hold the Alibaba app icon until a small menu appears. On many phones, this long press reveals shortcuts and an information button. Keep holding for a moment if the menu doesn't pop up right away. From that menu, choose App Info. This opens the system settings page dedicated to the Alibaba app. If you don't see an App Info option on the pop-up, you can also reach the same screen through your device settings, then Apps, then find Alibaba. Either way, we want the app's details screen that shows permissions, notifications, and storage. On the app info page, tap storage and cache. This section shows how much space the app is using for its data and cached files. It's where Android lets you manage what the app has saved locally on your device. Next, tap clear storage. Confirm when prompted. Clearing storage removes the app's local data, including settings, temporary files, and saved sessions. It does not delete your Alibaba account, your orders, or messages stored on Alibaba servers. It only resets the app on your phone to a fresh state. If you see a separate clear cache button, you can ignore it for this fix because we're performing the more complete reset by clearing storage. Now reopen the Alibaba app and try logging in again. Because we cleared storage, the app will behave like it's just been installed, which helps eliminate issues caused by corrupted data. Make sure you have a stable internet connection while signing in and complete any verification prompts that appear so you can access your account. That's it. This simple reset resolves most app not working problems by giving Alibaba a clean slate on your device. If the issue persists after this, it may be a temporary service outage or something outside your phone's data, but for many users, these steps get the app running smoothly again.